Up to I. Okay, now the next one. 25, 75 and 50. Number J. Acha, put today's date. Before that, put today's date. Write the page number. Number J. Find the LCM of 25, 75 and 50. Do it fast. 25, 75 and 50. Oishani, Obipsha, don't turn off your camera, okay? If it is automatically off, then it is okay, but don't do it yourself, yes. And sit properly in such a way so that I can see both of you, huh? Okay. Now, acha, by 5 we can take. Oishi, which number should we take? Look, each are multiple of 5, na? 5, good. Now 5 is 25. And the last one is also very much easy. 5 tens are 50. But for this 75, just you can divide in the rough. Okay. 5, 1 is 5, then 25 will be there. 5, 15. Yes, though. So it will be 15. Done up to this? Okay, good. Next one. Again, we can take 5. 5, 1 is 5. 5, 3 is 15. 5, 2s are 10. Yes, though. Now we can easily stop here. Or I told you that process to make all the numbers 1, right? That means you can take 3. Then this 2 will remain as it is. Then you can take 2. Okay. Now LCM of 25, 75 and 50 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 2, right? Acha, now Noras, look at this. Basically, we have to break into prime factorization. Huh? Look, and first we have to give priority to that number which will divide all of them. If this type of numbers are there, okay? So we have taken 5. Now again look, all are multiple of 5 now. Again we are taking 5, okay? But after that look, this is 3. So we have taken 3. So this 1 will remain as it is. 3, 1 is 3. But this 2 is not divisible by 3 though. So this 2 will remain as it is. Got it? Then by 2, now we have to multiply all of them. Got it or not? Is it clear, Nora's? Okay, very good. Very good. Acha, now multiply it. You can also write this to 1, huh? 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. Ultimately, it doesn't matter, okay? Acha. So, find out the answer. Acha, Sharanya, not Sharanya. Enakshi, you will say the answer. Multiplication. Write it in your hand and show me your hand, okay? I cannot see you, beta. Vahia, are you able to answer it, the multiplication? Okay, then write it in your hand. Then show me in front of the camera. Show me your hand in front of the camera. Very good. 150, good. Okay. Good, Oishi. Acha, all the student, I think you have done. Now the next one. 12, 16 and 18. 12, 16 and 18. Okay, all of you completed this one though. Then I am clearing the screen, huh? Sharanya? Acha. Shirin, Trisha, Shulagna, Ankita. Prativa, Anubhav, Ashmit, Danto. Paushali, very good. Okay. Moushim, Shampriti, Afrina, Anjum, Raiza, Ifran. Parijat, okay. Now let me clear it. Good. Now number K. It is 12, 16 and 18. Acha, all are divisible by 2 na? Raiza? All are divisible by 2. Okay. So what will be this one? Swarnakshi say and Sushnata. It is 12. First, Swarnakshi. I can read the lip. Say. Swarnakshi, turn your camera on. Yes. 6 to the 12. Acha. Next, Anjum. Anjum, the next one. It is 16 by 2 we are dividing. It will be 8. Sushnata? Yes, good. The next one. Sheikh Adhan. Sheikh Adhan, the next one. It is 18 given, na? Mohammad Sahim, can you say? Okay, it will be 9. Now, acha, here is a problem. Look, 9 is not divisible by 2, na? But 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. Acha, Farzana, Shayon, Ananya and Somdatta, keep your camera on. Shayon Shashmal, Farzana Alam, keep your camera on. Okay, now, look here. These 6 and 8 are divisible by 2, but this 9 is not. So, no issue. Always what? We have to take for the majority. Majority wins, but it is not true for every time. Okay, but still here, we have to take 2. We will divide both of them now. So, there is the majority. So, we will take 2. Got it? Now, look at this. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Achha, this 9 will remain as it is. Okay. Is it clear? Mehriya? Okay, good. Now, achha, Mehriya, if we take 3, then what will be? Why will we take 3? Because these 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3, na? Okay, and this 4 will remain 4 or any other number? It will remain same though. Yes, okay, it will remain 4, huh? And this one will be 1, then 4, 3 3s are 9. Got it? Now we can take another 3, then again 1, 4, 1. Now 2 2s are 4. Got it? Achha, no need to do the next line, but let me do as we are taking 1 in the last row. Okay? Achha, now do it fast. Acha, there will be one more 2, na? Okay, write it over there. Complete it first. Very good. Shirin, I have seen it. Very good. Acha, Ananya, Wajid, keep your camera on. Bonusri, Anushka, what will be the multiplication? Look, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 into 2, you have to multiply. If we multiply 36 by 2, then it will be 72. 72, and then again another 2 is there. So 72 into 2 means 144. Got it? Swarnakshi, keep your camera on. Swarnakshi, Shayon, understood? Okay. Nora's done to? Rajpreet, Parijat. Parijat, I think you are not there, na? Only you are showing your photo. If this type of thing, yes, now it is okay. Sushnata, understood, beta? Okay, okay, good. Okay, now let me start the next one. The last one, L. There are 4 numbers, okay? No issue. Ultimately, the rule will be same, huh? Let me take, I am clearing. Ankita completed too. Anjum, Shifat, Rajpreet. Completed? Okay, beta. Shoikot, Mohammad Nahid, Mohammad Sahim and Somdatta. Completed? Okay. Sheikh Arhan, Sheikh Irfan, Meheria. Shaud Lashkar, Ananya, Wajid, Shayon. Done to? Okay, beta. Okay, okay. Trisha, understood? Pratibha, Trisha, Paushali, understood? Good. Okay, now let me do the next one. L. 8, 10, 12 and 14. 8, 10, 12 and 14. Acha, all are divisible by 2. So, Maushim, we will take 2. Wahia, then what will be the for the first one here? Good. Acha, second one, Sheikh Shahil Jamal. No, 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 Wahia, you are not going to say. Shahil Jamal, it is 10 over there. If we divide 10 by 2, then what will be the resultant value? Show it by using finger. Shahil, I will give you punishment. Acha, next, Anubhav, can you say? Anubhav? Wahia? Good. Enakshi, the next one you will say, huh? Acha, no, not Enakshi. Ankita, yes. Ankita, by using the finger, say. Good. Next, Enakshi, this one. Say. 5, no. Sushnata, by using your finger. Sushnata. Shulagna. Yes, 8. No, acha, it is given 49. Yes, yes. Good. 7. Acha, next, which one we will take? Look, 4 is also divisible by 2. 6 is also divisible by 2. So here are majority 2 numbers. So again we will take 2. Good. 2 2s are 4, then 5, 2 3, then 7, right? As there are 4 numbers, na? So no need to do this one. By 2 again we are going to do, then by 5, by 3, by 7. No need to do this. Huh? You can easily stop here. Because 4 numbers are there, it will take long time. Got it? You can easily stop here as all of them are prime numbers. Got it? Is it clear to everyone? Shake your head if yes. Oishani, Bonostri, Sharanya and Nushaiba. Understood too? Okay. Acha, Noras, which one not understood? Noras, look. 2 is a prime number, so can we break it to? Can we break 2? No. 5 we can break? No. 3? Only 3 1 is 3, no? 7? Only 7 1 is 7. So as we cannot break them, all of them are prime though, so we can easily stop there. Got it? Yes, wait, Noras, raise your hand, I'm coming. Wait. Say, what doubt do you have?
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number K. Can I?
K.
Well, yes, ma'am.
Acha, wait. I'll come back to K. At first, complete L, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Can you give myself unmute?
No. I'll make you unmute, okay, right now. Otherwise, all of them are in mute and you will only be unmute, na? Then they will say, ma'am is doing partiality, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I have
okay.
nothing.
You just mute yourself better, okay? Acha, now look at this. LCM of 8, 10, 12 and 14 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. Do the multiplication yourself. I am giving you only 1 minute. Acha, no, Oishi, very good. You have done it. Good. But I am giving some times for the other student also, okay? Only 1 minute you have. Only 1 minute. Afrina, do it first. Only 1 minute. And who is going to say the answer? I am telling. Afrina will say the answer, okay? Oishi, you are telling the answer by looking at the answer at the last page, or you have done it yourself? Where? Show me the copy. Acha. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes. Now Afrina done. Noras, what are you doing? Showing me the answer. Very good. Yes. Good. Enakshi. Acha, now look at this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 5 8s are 40. Na? Next, 3 into 40. 3 4s are 12, 120. Then again into 7. 7 12s are 84. And this 0 will be as it is. So it will be 840. Done? Ankita, Sheikh Sahil Jamal, Wahi, all the students done to? No, acha, Sharanya, I am waiting. Acha, now all of you will have to note some points. I am clearing the screen. Oh, Sharanya done. Anubhav, Paushali, Sampriti. Parijat, where are you? Shayon done. Okay, now I am clearing the screen, huh? Okay. Now note down some points. LCM of two coprime number. Two coprime number is their multiplication or is their product. Now I think, not actually think, I am sure of it that you forgot what is coprime number. Yes, to? Paushali forgot to? Coprime number? हाँ, very good. मार पड़ेगा मार. Raisa forgot. Coprime number याद है? Can you remember coprime number? No. Say no. आलू दम. Okay, पीठ में. त्रिशा. सोमदत्ता. सुष्माता. Yes, अच्छा. अभिप्सा. हर एक के घर में जाके पीटूंगी. हाँ. स्टेनलेस स्टील का एक स्केल लेके जाऊंगी और पीटूंगी. अच्छा, लुक, coprime number. At first note down this point. Then let me explain coprime number. Huh? Coprime means their common factor will be only one. Suppose I am taking 12 and one more number I am taking 3. Okay. Acha, not 3, I am taking 15. Huh? Acha. Look, if we break 12, it will be 1 into 12, 2 into 6. Yes, though. 3 into 4. Yes or no? These are the factors. And in case of 5, it will be 1 into 15, 3 into 5. Yes, though. Now look at this. In both of them, in 15 and in 12, 3 is common, na? Here is also 3, here is also 3. Yes, though. Paushali, Anubhav, Noras. That means these are not coprime number because there is common factor 3, no? But if we are taking, suppose we are taking 7 and 9. Look, in case of 7, we can write 7 into 1. In case of 9, we can write 3 into 3 into 1. Yes or no? Bahia? Shulagna? Now look, which one is common in both of them? Only one, na? Only one is common, na? In both of them? Yes, Sharanya? That means if we are getting only one as common factor, agar sirf one milega common factor, then these are called coprime. अगर सिर्फ वन आएगा कॉमन फैक्टर, एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ वन मिलेगा, तब वो दो कोप्राइम नंबर होगा. अंडरस्टूड? तो आई थिंक नाउ यू कैन रिमेम्बर. अभिप्सा, ओइशानी, नुसाइबा, एनाक्षी, ओइशी, नोरस. अंडरस्टूड? तो ओके, गुड बेटा. अच्छा, हैव यू नोट डाउन दिस वन? नाउ नोट डाउन द नेक्स्ट वन. The LCM of two or more than two numbers, the LCM of two or three numbers, that is more than two numbers, cannot be less than any of them. Cannot be अच्छा, in bracket or more than 2 you can write, huh? More than 2. Okay, cannot be less than any of them. I'm explaining the statement. Okay, less than any of them. That means what? That means suppose we are taking the LCM of 12, 16 and 18. 12, 16 and 18. What was the LCM? You find out just right now. Now we have done this. That one is K, number K. Yes, so what was the answer? Acha, Noraz, you are going to say, huh? What was the answer? Because you had doubt on it, na? In it, you had doubt. The answer was 144, na? Yes, okay. Basically, the LCM is 144. Now look, always this LCM is greater than this 3 number. How many sums you have done from LCM, na? You can check. Each and every numbers are greater than any of them. And also sometimes some LCM, some answer is equal to one of them, equal to the greater, but not less than any one. Okay. Suppose we are, look, 144 is less than 12, 16 or 18. No, no. Suppose we are taking 3 and 15. If we are going to find the LCM, 3 1 is 3, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1 is 1. So LCM will be 3 into 5 into 1 into 1. So ultimately 15 na. Look, it can be equal. Equal हो सकते हैं, लेकिन less नहीं हो सकते. Understood? तो it can be equal, but not less than. Everyone understood? Sure तो Paushali, Pratibha, Enakshi, Nusaib understood तो? अच्छा, okay. Oishani, Obipsha, I cannot see you. अच्छा, Anjum, is there any doubt? Understood तो? अच्छा, Maushim, you have doubt. Okay. Now raise your hand who have doubt. Okay. In this.